Seems like every time I need to get something out of the top of my toolbox, I find that I have things stored on there. Every time I need to open it, I have to get it out of the way. So today I'm going to build a little box on top of the toolbox, so I'll never have to open the lid and clear it off again. I took some measurements and made some side pieces, and to get it to lay flush I cut out a little bit of the material so it rides up flush on the side and will fit onto this little lip right here. I'm going to glue the corners and brad nail it together. I'm using the lid as the back of the box, and now that I got it all tacked together, I'm going to attach a face frame with some doors. Now that the face frame is attached for the doors, I'm going to take it off and paint it and reinstall it. Now that I have it painted, when I installed some doors, I am going to drill into the lid and put some bolts through there, some machine screws to keep it attached. Attach the box. All done.